Hi children, today let's do some chess after numbers. We have been doing numbers, so some more numbers, chess after numbers. Now let's look at the board, see what we are going to do. Okay? Now you'll be given one number and you will tell me the number just after. Okay? Good. Here we are. Look at this. Read this number for me. 421. 421. This is 1. After 1 comes 2. Very good. 21. After 21, what can be the number that follows? What is the number just after 21? 22. Good. So our number will be 422. Very good. 422. The number just after 421 is 422. Good. Let's take another number and let's find the number just after. Look, read after me. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Now, good. 347. 347. After 7. What is the number just after 7? Good. 8. What's the number just after 47? 48. Good. So our number just after will be 348. Good. 348. You know how to find the number just after? Yes. First go to the ones, tens, like that. Good. Shall we take another number and find the number just after? Good. Ones, tens, hundred. 7 ones, 9 tens, and 200. Read the number for me. 297. 297. Ones place we have 7. What's the number just after 7? Good. 8. What's the number just after 97? 98. So our number next just after is 297. 298. Very good. The number after 297 is 298. Good. Let's go to another number and let's find out the number just after. Look what's given to you. Ones, tens, hundred. 111. 111. What is this last number? 1. What's the number that comes after 1? Good. 2. The number that comes after 11? 12. So our number just after will be 111. 112. Good. 111. Just after that comes number 112. Good. Are you enjoying? Yes, the number just after. Let's go to another number. Look. Ones, tens, hundred. Read this number. 985. 985. 5. After 5, what's the number? 6. After 85, what number will you get? 86. So our number just after will be 985. 986. Was it easy? Did you enjoy? Good. Let's get on to a new number and find the number just after. Read. Ones, tens, hundred. 643. Good. 643. After 3 comes, yes, number 4. After 43, the number thus comes will be 44. 643 And therefore, our number that comes after 643 will be 644. Good. 644. 643. Just after that, 644. Good. Shall we take another new number? Good. Here we are. Ones, tens, hundred. 708. 708. What's the number that comes after 8? 9. 9. So, the number just after 708 will be 709. Good. 708, 709. Very good. Shall we go to another number and find the number just after? Ones, tens, hundred. Read this number with me. 589. 589. The number that comes after 9, 10. Good. The number that comes after 89. What will be that number? 89? 90. Good. So the number just after 589 is 590. 589, 590. Now, are you able to find the number just after? Would you like another new number? Here we are. Ones, tens, hundred. 854. What is this number? 854. Now this is number 4. After number 4, what follows? Number 5. After 54. What's the number next to that? 55. So the number next to 854 is 855. 854, 855 follows. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's get on to another new number. Look. Ones, tens, hundred. 333. Good. What is this number? 333. After 3, what will follow? 4. So 33. The number that follows after 33? 34. The number just that comes after 333 is 300. 34. 333, 334. Good. Shall we take another number and find the number that follows just after? Let's read the number together. Ones, tens, hundred. 506. 506. After 6, what is the number that follows? 7. So the number 506. The number just after that will be 506, 507. Good. The number that follows 506 is 507. Did you enjoy? Good. Here is another new number, and let's find the number just after. Okay? Find the number just after. Ones, tens, hundred. Let's read the number together. 896. 896. What is the number that will follow 6? After 6, 7. So after 96, 97. Good. 896. Number after that is 897. 896, 897. Good. Let's look at another new number and find the number just after. Look. Ones, tens, hundred. Read the number with me. 191. 191. After 1 comes 2. After 91, 92. 191. Number just after is 192. 191, 192. Good. Let's look at another number and find the number just after. Let's see what follows. Look, ones, tens, hundred. Let's read the number 500. 89. 589. After 9 comes 10. So after 89, what will follow? 90. Good. 589. Number that follows is 590. 589. Just after that, 590. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another new number and find the number just after. Good. Ones, tens, hundred. Read this number. 346. 346. Number after 6. 7. Good. Number after 46 will be 47. 346. Number that follow will be 347. 346. 347. Good. Let's go to another number and find the number just after. Yes, here is a new number. Ones, tens, hundred. Read the number with me. 807. 807. After 7, what's the number that follows? 8. Good. So 807. The number just after is 808. 807. 808. Good. Did you enjoy? Shall we look at another new number and find the number just after? Ones, tens, hundred. Read this number. 222. 222. After 2, what follows? 3. After 22, 23. So 222. Number just after will be 223. 222. 223. Very good. Let's take another new number and find the number just after. Look. Ones, tens, hundred. Read this number with me. 565. 565. After 5, what's the number that follow? 6. After 5 is 6. After 65 is 66. 565. The number just after is 566. 565. 566. Good.